In this tutorial video, you will learn how to send group mail using onlinecheckwriter.com, powered by Zill Money. To get started, click the Business Tools button from the side panel and select View More from the drop-down. You will be redirected to the Business Tools page. Then, select Mailing Dashboard and choose Group Mail. You will now enter the Group Mail section. You can view your group mail history by clicking this button. Provide a group or batch name that's easy to identify. Then, select where you want to send by choosing the destination address. You can choose an existing address from the drop-down or add a new one using the plus new button. In the same way, you can also add the sending from address. If you want to update your addresses, use the edit icons. Then, select the shipping type from the drop-down. Next, enter your default payment details in this section. Click here to add your bank account. Select an existing one from the drop-down, or add a new account using the plus new button. Also, enter the payment details in the corresponding fields. Click the attachment icon to upload a file that will be added to all mailings in this group. Choose a file or drag it here, then click Done. You are able to find the number of attachments being sent along with the mail, considering the number displayed here. These details will be automatically filled into the corresponding fields. To hide your default payment settings, click here. If you enable this checkbox, each check is sealed in a separate envelope and then combined into one for privacy. To add a row based on your preference, click this button. Click here to choose a payee from the drop-down or add a new one with the plus new button. You can also enter your memo in these fields and update the payment details here as needed. Use this icon to add attachments individually. To delete a specific row, use this icon. When you have completed all the details, click the Preview and Continue button to review your mailing. Review your order details and click Confirm and Submit to proceed. Your group mailing has been processed successfully. Here, you can view your mail list. Click the eye icon to see the group mail details.